everyone, today we're making the softest, moistest banana bread you've ever had. It is so good and full of flavor, and the good thing is it is incredibly easy to make. Let's dive right in. Here's what you need: 6 medium-sized very ripe bananas, half cup melted unsalted butter, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 3 large eggs at room temperature, 1/3 cup milk, 1.5 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 3/4 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon cinnamon. The first thing you're going to do is to mash your bananas in a large bowl until smooth. The riper the better. They should be almost black for maximum sweetness and moisture. Next, we're adding melted butter and a little bit of vegetable oil. This combination keeps our banana bread extra soft. Now, in goes the brown sugar and granulated sugar. Brown sugar makes it super moist and adds a hint of caramel flavor. Now let's whisk in 2 eggs, followed by the milk for an ultra tender crumb. Don't forget a splash of vanilla for that warm, comforting flavor. Now for the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon. Cinnamon is optional, but it always adds a special touch. Slowly fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture. Be gentle, because overmixing can make the bread dense rather than soft. Now pour the batter into your mini baking pans or a standard 9 inches loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Smooth out the top for even baking. Here's where it gets interesting. We are going to be making 5 variants of this banana bread using this single recipe. We are going to be making the chocolate chip banana bread. We're going to be making the nutty banana bread, the classic banana bread, the Nutella swirl banana bread, and the Oreo cookies banana bread. All you need to do is to portion the batter, the already made batter, into individual portions and add the add-ons into it in no particular order, and then scoop into your mini baking pans. Now pop your tray into the oven at a 175 degrees centigrade temperature for about 55 to 65 minutes. If the top browns too quickly, you need to cover it with some foil. Now look at this gorgeous array of loaves. Let them cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring them into a wire rack. This is what 5 different variants of the banana bread loaves looks like. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next video.